Coach Nick with your tip of the week. You know, a lot of folks think that when you're out walking, you just got to walk and walk and walk. But one of the great parts about walking is you get to stop and take a little rest. We're out here in a beautiful park here in Overland Park. We got the geese behind us. I brought my backpack. If you don't have one of these, I'd encourage you to get one, or at least a fanny pack. It's a good way to carry your water. You take a little break. If you want to read the Word of God, get some living water in you, you got that. And I always carry a couple of snacks. Now, the good thing about carrying your own snacks is that you get a chance to make wise choices. So if I'm carrying apples, if I'm carrying bananas, I'm not going to stop at McDonald's and get those French fries that keep calling my name. I also bring with me some almonds and some craisins. And you eat a little bit, walk a little bit, make sure you drink your water. Stop, take a little rest, enjoy God's beauty. You see all these new goslings out here, and enjoy your walk. You've just got another week to go, and then you'll be at your first 5K, and I'm excited for you. But don't forget, drink your water, healthy snacks, stop and spend a little time with the Word of God as you're walking along, and get yourself a backpack or a fanny pack, something that you can carry your water with you, and it won't be cumbersome. Well, that's it for this week, but I love you. Hope to see you soon. Coach Nick with your tip of the week.